Igogona riri ria monanio ma uthaka kuri andu aria makoragwo na murimo wa autism rikuihũirwo ni nduhio na gikeno kiingi andu aya makionania taranda ciao itiganite. Mubunge wa Nairobi Esther Pasaris ni arekinyite igogona-ini riri kuria oritie thirikari yongerere kigina kiria kiamuritwo gia guteithia andu aria mari na murimo uyu.
So many patients that have actually been abandoned by their families. The families don't want them anymore. They can't cope with it. It's too expensive, and it's also it disrupts their entire family.
Like the government to see how they can make the public schools that have kids that have disabilities like autism be just treated as the same as the normal.
Roho akinya ni moriti matige kuhitha andu aria makoragwo na mawathe kuria ugite amwe ao no marute wira uturi urutagwo ni andu aria angi.
We provide HIV drugs. HIV patients can actually go to work. But a person with mental disability is actually fired and will not get work. And then we're giving these drugs at a very, very high cost.
Andu aria angi megwikinyite igogona-ini riri ni hamwe na mwanjiriria wa cukuru wa Autism Ruth Chenai. Handu-ini ha Inooro TV, rito riakwa ni Jane Wambui wa Mwangi.